What's up, y'all? So we just finished unboxing our Apple Watch. She's here looking clean and cute as ever, and now we're about to get into our Airpods Pro. Okay, so I just never stop tweaking as I do. I didn't apologize in the last video, you know, clean clothes, didn't put them away yet because this comes up first right now. Okay, so okay, and I also did not pay full price for these. My uncle works for a phone company. He got them for the low, so I paid him for those. And yeah, just peeling off the plastic all around here. Oh my gosh, I sold my regular AirPods and for like $100, and then got these for like $190. So I didn't make out too bad for these, since they roll, and I say they run for about like $250, $260 or something like that, and then the tax, whatever. So just pulling off this bad mama jamma here. Okay, so when you first open her up, you already know the vibes with this in California designation here. Okay, so we're opening this up. No stickers these days. It's pretty upsetting, but yeah, I don't really care or need to know about that info. But when we first see her, there she is in her long looking case, and yeah, I'm pretty hyped. Let's just take these off here on the sides. Can I just rip it? Yeah. Okay. I feel like as soon as I open these, they're gonna like mess up my phone and my video, so yeah. Oh, didn't even have to do it for you, it just popped out. And then we just got our cord to charge, and I'm trying to see what's under here. I've got this little arrow thing. Oh yeah, the different sized ear things to test and see. You know, this looks a lot smaller than I thought it does, which is interesting. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this like it's telling me to do. I'm like scared. Oh, I don't like that noise. Okay. So here's the different sized little ear pod, sounds weird to say, thing, like ear thingies. There's a small and a large. I'm assuming medium's on there. So I'm gonna go ahead, set this up, and try this, and get back to you guys. Hey guys, so we got our pros. They're all synced up, they're in our ears, they're here, and whoa, I wish I could have just got my reaction. The setup took like 5 seconds, but the first thing I automatically did was wanted to check out the noise cancellation, which is kind of the main reason I got them. My regular AirPods do an okay job, but you know, these are literally a mode, so I need to see what's good with this mode. And all I gotta say, guys, is like, wow, like my reaction was pretty shocking. Like, it started off as off. I put on noise cancellation and then transparency, and then back to off, and like even I was shocked by the transparency mode. Like, it's just so cool how like the microphone, just the technology behind it, I think is amazing. And these definitely feel pro, to say the least, and they do have a pro price tag. So you know, I'm definitely gonna see how these go for me within the week. Have a pretty cool day with my new gadgets, and seeing how these all work out for me living in quarantine, and I'm just so excited. I did go with the medium fit. I did the ear fit test, or sound, whatever, quality, snug seal, all that good stuff test, and it did turn out the mediums were a good seal for me. So I'm so excited, and definitely have to keep you guys updated in a week. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.